Oh, down. Oh. Sheesh. Sheesh.
A lot of stuff, right, guys?
Yeah.
Where you like it?
Bonita.
What do you think, honey? Roar.
Where's mine? Let's take him out there.
All right, I'm recording this for Mary. What do you want to say?
Thank you, Mary. This is awesome.
It's awesome. Roar, how would you describe it?
Better than Halloween candy, for sure.
And thank you.
Thank you.
It's your big moment, Rory, because you haven't met Mary. What do you say?
Hope to meet you soon.
Good. All right. Say bye.
Bye.